Hello everybody, this is David from Real Hardware Reviews, and today we get the privilege to unbox the Essential phone. So, we're looking at this box straight ahead. It's pretty much one of the bigger boxes I've seen for phones. If you want to compare it to like an iPhone or anything like that, this is pretty large. Even bigger than comparison to the BlackBerry Key 1. If you can see the size difference alone in these two, it's pretty apparent which one's bigger. But anyways, let's move on and let's figure out how to unbox this phone. So looking from what I'm seeing right now, all you need to do is basically pull out the phone this way, which is pretty much a different unboxing experience that I'm used to, which you pry out the phone from the top. But let's look at it right away, and basically you're greeted with everything inside the box. You get the phone right off the bat, so let's pull this out. Right. Very good looking phone. Let's put this on the side for a quick second. And yeah, what do you get in the box? You get a USB charger, which is going to be a USB Type-C charger. They give you the cable USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter. This phone does not have a headphone jack, sadly. And you also get your USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. But yeah, this unboxing was pretty straightforward. There's nothing much into it, just the phone itself and the box itself. Not gonna lie, I find this unboxing to be pretty straightforward, and I prefer this type of box compared to a regular iPhone or any other type of phones that are out there currently. It's for unboxing because when you actually do slide it out of this, it doesn't come off. Like if you try to pry open one of those boxes, there's always a risk that your phone is gonna fall, and there's been a few fail videos in that regards. But with this type of unboxing, I prefer it. It's a more personalized experience, I say. I want to give out a big thanks to Tom Harris for giving us the opportunity to do these type of reviews and unboxing. Go visit our site, www.tomharris.ca, for great prices on phones and plans. This is the unboxing of the Essential phone, and stay tuned for more reviews and unboxings at Real Hardware Reviews. This is David, signing out.